We are finally back for round 2 of the last Marvel Standing Games here at the Color Dome. For event number 2, the short sprint. It's not that hard, you just go down the course to the finish line. Probably one of the most simplest events. Another thing, sorry for the foot. It takes me a while just to get comfortable, but anyway, we're off to his first heat. Shock, Arctic, Snowflake, and green lizard. And Ross. That's funny. Arctic Penguins will get second. Well done to those two marbles. Party, Duck, Pinky Rosa, and Prim. Primary events. No! Pinky's Wolverines. Primary gets eliminated? Who knew we'd seen that? No Claw. Shock. Grape and Vespa. Oh, I'm gonna give that to Several Graves Thunderbolts. And it's a tie between Black Panthers and Hornets. Guyborn, Lillip, Turner, and Green. Can Green move on? Yes, they can! And so will the Bronze Tigers. But Team Hawaii, they will get 9th and run another 10th. Which means the Lizard Eyes will capture dead last. With the first place. For the season. Grape, Arctic, Green, and Turner. Who's going to get the... Oh! Arctic Penguins will move on with color balls. So the Bronze Tigers will be eliminated. Shock, Duck, Bluestone, Pinky Rosa, and Green Ducks will advance with Thunderbolts. Green Ducks try to personify their heroicness. Can they get the gold? Can they get from dead last to gold medal? Arctic, Shock, Green Duck, who's going to get the gold medal? And it's going to be the color balls who will get it. Thunderbolts and Arctic Penguins. The host will get the gold. The crowd is cheering, and hopefully they can keep this. Next time we distance drag, we will see you for that. See you for round 2 of the last Marvel Standing Games.